comes to us out of Salzburg, Pennsylvania. Driving a 1972 Chevrolet. Brett Casera. We'll find out if he's going to keep that or come back. Six and nine. Next truck up comes to the Somerset, Pennsylvania. Jason Barron with Pennsylvania. Driving a 1987 Chevrolet. Jason Barron, here comes the flying farmer. Two, 7, 9, and 3. Out of Summerhill, Pennsylvania, Kyle Wright driving a Ford. Here comes the busted Rister. New leader, 2, 8, 3, and 7, 2, 8. Another new leader, 2, 9, 5, and 7. Be our next truck up. Out of Cabot, Pennsylvania, Matt Mosier. 1979 Ford. Here comes Judgment. 7. That'll put him in the number 2 spot at the moment. 291 and 7. 7 forward, here comes Dustin Addison. Two, 7, 9 and 1. 2, 7, 9 and 1. Taker. And there went a drive shaft turn axle. We need a tow tractor, please. Tow tractor, please. Here comes Shotgun Sally. The distance to beat was 295 and 7. Shotgun Sally just made 2, 9, 7, and 6. We have a new leader. We got green lights and a green flag. Mark Petros, here comes the public enemy. Sally, Troy Wright was 297.60. Mark Petros just had 297.57. Not quite. One more little oomph and he would have made it. Good enough for the number 2 spot. The wild thing. and 9. 290 and 9. We're done. Pennsylvania, the Roxbury Lunatic, Terry Mossar. Oops. Don't know if we had a breakdown or if he shut it down and back up the track yet. Find out here in just a second. Here comes the Bandit. 293 and 7. 293 and 7. Official distance will be 288 and 1. 288 and 1. That'll finish up the class. We'll get your placings in just a moment. And at the end of the class, Curtis Sechrist is coming back for a test run that broke in our last class.